How to put 3 hairs on Roblox. In this video, I'll show you how can you put 3 hairs at once on Roblox, giving your avatar a unique look. Let's dive in. First up, launch your preferred browser, then head towards the website of Roblox, log into your account, you'll land to this kind of page. Now at the left corner, you're gonna find a fun option, navigate to the option of avatar. You'll be directed to this page where you're gonna find the avatar. Now over here, you're gonna find different section. Head over to the section of hair and body, then click on the option of hair. Over here, you're gonna find the list of the hairs that you can use for your avatar. In the case you want to add more hair to the list, what you have to do is scroll down. You'll find this section of recommended over here. Click on see all. Now from here, you can easily get the hairstyles. For some hairstyles, you'll need to pay the Robux. Head towards the hairstyle that you want to add, click on add to the cart. Once you are done, you can click on buy Robux. With that, your hairstyle list will be updated along with the new ones. Now you can again head towards your avatar. Navigate to the head and body and then hair section. Now from here, you can easily update your avatar with multiple hairs. Just check in for the hairstyles that you want to put on in this way. And you can see that my avatar has multiple hairstyles. And that's how you can add 3 hairs on your Roblox avatar. This was really simple and quick process. Once you are done, you can click on save. With that, your avatar will be updated with multiple hairstyles. So that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.